Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log into your Amazon account. So you have an Amazon account that you use to shop online from Amazon.com, or you use that account to watch your favorite TV shows or movies on Amazon Prime Videos, or you use that account in Amazon Prime Music to listen to your favorite songs, but you can't figure out how you can log into that account. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can log into your Amazon account in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end, follow the simple steps I do, and you'll do it in no time. Now, the first thing you need to do in order to log into your Amazon account is open a browser and go to Amazon.com. Once you get to Amazon.com, you'll land on an interface like this. Here on the top right corner, you'll see a section labeled as Account and Lists. Click on that. Once you click on that option, you'll land on the Amazon sign-in interface. This is the interface to sign into your Amazon account. Here what you need to do is enter the credentials of your Amazon account that you want to sign into. So enter your email or mobile number that you use to create an Amazon account. Once you enter the email that you use to create your Amazon account, click on continue button. Once you click on the continue button, Amazon will ask you to enter the password to your Amazon account. So go ahead and enter your password. Once you enter your password, click on the sign in button. There you go. You have successfully signed in to your Amazon account. Now you can enjoy shopping from Amazon.com, or you can watch your movies and TV shows from Amazon Prime Video, or you can listen to your music on Amazon Prime Music. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.